Yes guys, hello guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, in this video we gonna cover German student visa step by step, the whole process in detail. Yes, I was in demand with this topic since so long, so I thought why not, when everything is updated, new updates has come. So yes, here is the 2026 new update German student visa process. In case you are watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes and whatnot. So why do we waste time and go with German Gyan, and let's get in the video. Let's go.
Germany students visa. Let's see full process step by step. Before you start, first it is important to understand which visa you need. If your course in Germany is longer than 90 days, you need a German national visa for studies. A tourist or Schengen visa is not suitable for starting a degree course. Before you begin, check what German mission is responsible for your place of residence and always use the latest official checklist. Now, the step 1 is get university admission. The first step is getting admission from a recognized German university. You will receive an admission letter which is called Zulassungsbescheid in German. Check your course name, university name and course start date carefully. Also, check whether your admission is final or conditional. If it is conditional, read all conditions properly before applying for a visa. Step 2 is APS certificate. For most Indian students, the APS certificate is an important requirement. APS verifies your academic documents. You should apply for it as early as possible because the process can take time. For some students, it takes more than a month also. So do not wait until your visa appointment is available. Keep the original APS certificate and multiple copies ready for your universities and visa process. Step 3 is your financial proof. Germany wants to make sure that you can support yourself during your stay. Therefore, you need to show financial proof. For 2026, the students generally need to show 11,904 euros for 1 year, which means 1091 euros per month. However, this amount can change, so always confirm the latest figure from official German mission before depositing money. Ways to show financial proof. There are different ways to show financial proof. The most common method is a blocked account. Other options can include a formal obligation letter from a financially capable person in Germany, a scholarship certificate, parents' financial documents were accepted, or a German bank guarantee. Your final option must match the requirement of the German mission handling your application. Let's understand what is a blocked account. A blocked account is a special bank account for international students. You deposit the required yearly amount before applying for the visa. After reaching Germany, you cannot withdraw the full amount at one time. Instead, you receive a limited monthly amount for your living expenses. This helps students manage their money throughout the year. Health insurance. Health insurance is compulsory in Germany. Before your visa application, arrange insurance that meets the requirements of the German mission. After arriving in Germany, students usually need German health insurance for universities enrollment and residence-related formalities. Make sure that your insurance dates cover your planned travel period and the initial period of your stay. Main documents checklist. Now, let us look at the main documents. You generally need a completed national visa application form, a valid passport, biometric photographs, your university admission letter, APS certificate, financial proof, and health insurance proofs. Arrange all documents neatly and keep both originals and copies with you. Some additional supporting documents. Along with the main documents, you may also need academic certificate and transcripts, language certificates if your course requires them, a CV, a motivation letter, proof of accommodations if available, and any additional documents requested by your German mission. The exact checklist can differ depending on your location, so do not rely only on general information. Fill the application correctly. While filling out the visa application form, make sure every detail matches your passport and admission letter. Checking the spelling of your name, date of birth, course name, university name, and your intended address in Germany. Even small mistakes can cause delays, so review the form carefully before submitting it. Step 7. Visa appointment and online application. Next comes the visa application process. Depending on your location and visa category, you may begin the process online or book an appointment through the official German mission or authorized application center. Use only official websites and do not trust agents who promise guarantee appointments. Procedures can differ from city to another city. Step 8. At the visa appointment. On the day of your appointment, reach on time and carry all original documents and copies in the correct order. You may need to submit your documents, provide biometric data such as fingerprints, and answer a few questions. Important thing is stay calm, be honest, and make sure your answers matches your documents. The last step, visa processing. After the appointment, the visa processing time can vary. It depends on the German mission, the number of applicants, document verification, and whether they need additional documents from you. Check your email regularly, including your spam folder. If you receive a request for more documents, submit them correctly without any delay.
So guys, now I hope you're having a very clear picture that how you need to get student visa of German. So yes, thank you so much for showering lots of love to all the videos. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.